It's 11:49, so I got my workout done kind of early. So y'all, this suit really does make me sweat. Go take a shower and I'll be back with you guys and let you guys know what the agenda for the day is. Maybe do a little laundry in between, and yeah. Hey guys, so really quickly, I'm gonna organize all of my makeup drawers. In here I have just about everything in this top drawer. Lashes, palette, makeup, glitter, everything is in here. This drawer, like, they're all pretty much just turned into junk. Lashes, powder. Then this one down here has a lot of makeup too that I don't really use anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and declutter everything, and I'll come back and show you guys how it looks fully decluttered. Alright guys, so I just finished like purging my makeup. This bag is full of makeup and stuff. Disregard the water bottle, but makeup and stuff that I'm getting rid of. So this is what it is looking like right now. Over here I have all of my concealers. Over here I have most of like my lip glosses and stuff like that. And then right next to it I have some lipsticks. And then over here I have a lot of powders, pomade, loose eyeshadows, and blush. Back here, you guys can see it, I have lashes, and then right here is stuff that I use for my daily makeup routine. So I have my primer, mascara, Fenty contour stick, powder, and in this corner I just have miscellaneous stuff that I tend to grab from time to time often. In this drawer back here I have most of my powders, primers, other powders. I have a few lashes left over here. I'm gonna put something else in that spot. Over here I have most of my, well, basically all of my foundations. So have tried just about everything. I did throw away I think one. Down here it still looks a bit cluttered. Back here I have like some costume jewelry and stuff, razors, a whole lot of glitters. I need to start doing some glitter looks. I have like every freaking color. So down here I just basically have nail polish stuff. Nail polish is there. Nail polish brush. This is acetone. Nail polish remover. Just like a nail polish drawer, different files and stuff like that. Down here is like more nail polish stuff mixed with here. A little bit more condensed, my UV light in the middle. Then I have dip powder over here. But what I did is, as I was cleaning out the drawers, I was just taking out brushes. So back here I mostly have like pens and stuff like that, but I did have a few brushes that I added in. So all these brushes need to get washed today when I get back home. But up here is just gonna have a canister, these mason jars of brushes, and then my palettes on display. So there's this one, what is $200, and then they have for $79, and $200, and then $79. The $79 one doesn't look too bad, but I like the one for $200 more. Well, I like the blue one.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us.
Hey guys, so it's time to wash my brushes. I typically try to wash my brushes once a week, but I have enough face brushes and fine brushes to last me about a week and a half, 2 weeks max. So I use the antibacterial soap, usually Dial or whatever I have on hand. I pump it into the silicone pad, and the silicone pad, you can get it anywhere. I got it at like a beauty supply store. and I'm just rubbing the brush on there in real time. And the pad has some little holes, like little raised grooves, that help scrub the brush out really, really nicely. So here's the brushes rinsed out completely, squeaky clean. I'm placing the brushes on this hand towel so that they can air dry for the day. And typically by the nighttime, they're fully dried and ready to be packed up. Hey guys, so I'm bringing you guys in the bathroom because I'm going to transform my bathroom a bit. Let me just show you guys around. So here's my shower curtain that needs to be changed. The tub is there, the toilet is there. This is how the top of the sink looks. This is the new stuff that I'm going to put up. Over here I have just the hand towel rack that I never really use. So I'm about to just transform it. This is what I'm going to be using. This is going to be the mats. This is going to be the new shower curtain. Actually, let me do this first, then I'll be back to show you guys all the stuff for the counter space. All right. These 4 paintings on Amazon. I'll leave them linked down below. This is the wall that I'm gonna put it on right here. One there. So I'm thinking about this combination right here. So guys, let me show you how the bathroom looks. There's still some work that I need to do, but this is gonna work for now. Let me show you. So here's the shower curtain. Here are the mats. The soap dispenser and the holder. Here's one of the paintings that I put up on this side. So the 2 paintings up top and then the hand towels below. Super cute. Everything kind of just ties in together. And the other piece, the other painting that I have, I'm just gonna put it in my bedroom. So I almost forgot to add this little fake orchid. Yep. Hey guys, so I forgot to include these acrylic containers. One has cutting rounds in them and the other one has Q-tips, and I got them from Amazon. I'll leave them linked down below as well. This is the little quick bathroom makeover. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I truly appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
All who did not know me when not done, they gon' know the name. Million people coming down, dancing to a song.